Welcome to our creative zone. Today we'll be making masks. Masks can be part of a costume and are worn on the face to hide it. They are used during many celebrations around the world. They're also used in plays. To make this creative project, we need the following materials: a paper plate, colored paper, chenille stems or pipe cleaners, scissors, glue, wooden sticks, a round object to trace the eyes, and a pencil or marker. Use the round object to mark the openings you'll look through. Ask an adult for help cutting out the openings you trace. Now fold the plate in half, cut the plate in half. Start creating the parts you need for your mask. Glue the pieces on to bring your mask to life. Decorate your mask however you like with the art supplies you have. Glue the wooden stick to the back of the mask. Here is our finished craft. Great job! Now enjoy the mask party with a friend! See you soon in our creative zone.